Hey guys, in this full 2025 guide, I'll show you how to add a customer discount in QuickBooks Online. Easy, fast, and professional. First, log into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Go to Sales, Customers, and select the customer or invoice you want to apply a discount to. Open the invoice and scroll the line item section. Click Add Discount or choose Discount Item from the drop-down menu. Enter the discount amount or percentage and make sure it applies to the correct items or the entire invoice. QuickBooks will automatically adjust the total and then display the discounted amount. You can also save this discount as a default item for future invoices to save time. Preview the invoice to ensure everything looks correct before sending it to your customer. And that's it, your customer discount is applied in QuickBooks Online in 2025. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick QuickBooks tutorials.